have this one. I've had it for years and years and years, and look, it's worth $5. Woo-hoo.
It's $5. $5 is $5.
I have it.
Well, here we are at the Antique Roadshows, and we have a real antique here. Nice hat.
The hat is older than the
How much is the hat?
$22.
$22.
That's not bad.
That's not bad. What do you think it is? Right there.
This here is a loudspeaker.
Is it?
It's a speaker.
It is a speaker. Okay.
$175.
Yeah.
It's got a date. Got a date on it?
No. I didn't think they made anything as old as me, but I guess they did.
Of course it was. Used to do it as a kid.
We're at the Antique Roadshows, and we got two antiques in front of me.
Well, you're looking good.
Thank you, Dad. You're looking good. Now, normally you can get some pretty good bargains here, but
Look at it, it's a wreck.
$21,000.
21 grand, eh?
Beautiful.
Ooh, now, what would make it worth $21,000?
Age.
That's what it says. What?
If it's age, then this guy is really beautiful.
I'm worth something.
There's $1 million man right there, eh? Mom, what are you looking at?
I know a phonograph. Old radio.
I think I might look a little bit younger with this hair. What do you think?
Yeah, you'd be ageless.
And I think I'll trade my husband in for this guy.
He looks a little good. This is Ringo's personal collection of rings. Yeah.